Today, we're about to embark on an incredible journey, a cosmic journey that has taken humanity billions of kilometers. We're headed to the farthest reaches of our solar system, to that dark, icy region where the sun appears like a mere star. Yes, today we're going to talk about one of NASA's most ambitious missions, the New Horizons mission. A mission that was sent to discover the secrets of the mysterious planet Pluto, and then go on to explore the unknown world of the Kuiper Belt. So, fasten your seatbelts as we're about to time travel from this mission's launch to its unique discoveries, and also to learn where this spacecraft is headed now. So, without further ado, let's embark on New Horizons' epic journey. Friends, this story begins in the 1980s and 90s. Scientists had sent spacecraft to observe almost all the planets in our solar system. The magnificent Voyager missions had provided images of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune that we had never imagined. But one planet remained a hazy, unknown dot. A mystery: Pluto. Just think, until then, Pluto was the only classical planet in our solar system where no human spacecraft had reached. What is it? What does it look like? Are there mountains or oceans there? Or is it just an ice ball? All these questions troubled scientists, but sending a mission to Pluto was no easy feat. The biggest challenge was the distance. Pluto is so far away from us, approximately 5 billion kilometers, that it would take years to reach it. The second problem was technology. Building a spacecraft capable of operating at such a distance, where sunlight and heat are virtually non-existent, posed a monumental engineering challenge. Furthermore, budget constraints were also a concern. For years, missions to Pluto were proposed and cancelled. Names like the Pluto Fast Flyby mission, Bluetooth Copper Express, and more came and went. It was now a challenge for the scientific community, a stinging reminder that a mission was still unfinished. But then, in the early 2000s, a new hope emerged when a team of scientists from NASA's Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, led by the visionary Dr. Alan Stern, put forward a groundbreaking proposal. Alan Stern and his team spent years persuading the US government and convincing the public of its importance. They argued that we simply could not afford to complete our first reconnaissance of the solar system. The mission was called New Horizons. Its objective was simple, yet ambitious: to observe Pluto and its moon Charon up close for the first time, and then to explore one or two objects in the Kuiper Belt. After much hard work and lobbying, NASA finally approved the mission, and then, after years of planning, designing, and testing, that historic day arrived. January 19, 2006, a powerful Atlas V rocket rocketed through the sky from Florida. Inside this rocket was the New Horizons spacecraft, the very milk of humanity. This launch was no ordinary one. New Horizons was launched at such a high speed that it became the fastest man-made object ever launched from Earth. It crossed the Moon's orbit in just 9 hours. Just imagine, a journey that took the Apollo astronauts 3 days was completed in just 9 hours. But before we proceed, let's take a look at the scientific treasure trove hidden within this tiny spacecraft. Its 7 instruments were its eyes, ears, and nose. LORRI, the long-range reconnaissance imager, was the mission's super eye, or telescope. A powerful black and white telescopic camera was responsible for taking high-resolution images of Pluto from afar. The iconic images of Pluto we have seen are due to LORRI. RELF was LORRI's companion. RELF was a combination of a color camera and an infrared spectrometer. Its job was to create color maps and temperature maps of Pluto and its moons. ALICE was an ultraviolet spectrometer. Its job was to determine the composition of Pluto's atmosphere, that is, the gases present in it. SWAP and PEPSI, these two instruments, were to study plasma. Its job was to observe how Pluto's atmosphere interacts with the stream of charged particles coming from the Sun, which we call the solar wind. SDC Student Dust Counter. This was an amazing instrument built by students at the University of Colorado. Its job was to count dust particles in space throughout its journey. REX Radio Science Experiment. This was part of the spacecraft's communication system. When the spacecraft passed behind Pluto, RX received radio signals sent from the ground. Changes in these signals allowed scientists to determine the pressure and temperature of Pluto's atmosphere. So, with these 7 magical instruments, New Horizons moved on to its next destination. To reach Pluto, this super-fast spacecraft also needed a shortcut, a cosmic boost. And for this boost, there's only one thing in our solar system, our joint planet. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon for latest updates about secrets hidden from the world.